Get ready to shift into overdrive. This isn't your average trucking showcase. We're diving headfirst into a lineup of engineering marvels that challenge every expectation of what a truck and the gear it runs with can do. From tire tech that thinks for itself to modular workspaces that redefine mobility, each product on this list is a testament to innovation, grit, and sheer mechanical genius. These are more than just upgrades, they're game changers. Buckle up, because what you're about to see will reshape how you think about the road. Let's hit it. Number 1. SAF CBX Aerobeam. The SAF CBX Aerobeam isn't just an air suspension system, it's a masterclass in efficiency and structural evolution for commercial trailers. Weighing in at just 445 pounds, it's not only 40 pounds lighter than its predecessor, but also 20 pounds per axle lighter than competing systems. That means real gains in fuel economy and reduced greenhouse gas emissions. Engineered with heat-treated cast alloy trailing arms and robust 80 kSi steel frame brackets, the Aerobeam offers unmatched structural integrity. Its 5.75-inch axle has a 19% stiffness increase, which translates into less deflection, longer tire life, and improved ride stability. Maintenance? Streamlined. Thanks to the swing-align system, axle alignment is fast and tool-free. The tension control bolt keeps everything tight without the need for retorquing. Add optional P89 air disc brakes for high-performance stopping power and black armor corrosion protection for long-lasting durability, and you've got a system that's built to perform and built to last. Number 2. Halo Connect i3. Tire management gets a smart upgrade with Halo Connect i3, a fully integrated inflation and monitoring system for medium and heavy-duty trucks. This isn't just about keeping tires filled, it's about proactive, data-driven maintenance. The unit installs in under 5 minutes per wheel, stays mounted during service, and works seamlessly with flow-below wheel covers and herodometers. Inside, embedded sensors constantly monitor pressure and temperature, while smart analytics predict wear patterns and alert operators before minor issues become major failures. Customizable inflation settings and real-time alerts give fleet managers complete control, whether on the road or from HQ. And because it removes the need for standalone TPMS devices, it simplifies the system while boosting reliability. More uptime, less fuel waste, better safety. Halo Connect i3 keeps your fleet rolling smarter and longer. Number 3. Freighter T-Liner. The Freighter T-Liner is a curtain-sided trailer that helped revolutionize the way freight is hauled across Australia, and it's still setting benchmarks today. Built for strength and payload efficiency, this trailer features a lightweight steel alloy structure, wide-set axles, and Z-section crossmembers that deliver enhanced rigidity and stability. Its low-profile chassis provides a lower center of gravity for safer handling and better weight distribution, especially in tight turns and crosswinds. The curtain system uses smooth gliding rollers and durable tensioning that reduces wear and extends the service life of roof tracks. Designed for real-world logistics demands, the T-Liner includes galvanized door hardware, corrosion-resistant fasteners, and a modular design that makes custom builds easy. Whether you're transporting general freight or specialized goods, the T-Liner offers unmatched versatility and longevity. Number 4. HOLMES DTU. Meet the HOLMES DTU, the ultimate dual-purpose utility system that transforms a tractor into a powerful towing rig. The secret lies in its compact lift design that minimizes rear overhang while enhancing front axle weight distribution, providing exceptional balance during heavy towing. With a 20,000-pound AS planetary winch, 175 feet of wire rope, and optional upgrades including a 25,000-pound winch and remote control operation, the DTU delivers performance you can trust. Its detachable frame with front stabilizers and fifth-wheel compatibility means the truck can be quickly reconfigured between towing and hauling, maximizing fleet flexibility. With a lift capacity of 35,000 pounds retracted, the HOLMES DTU is a powerhouse designed for wrecker operators who demand reliability, efficiency, and the ability to switch roles at a moment's notice. Number 5. Soil King Extreme. Engineered for construction pros and landscape experts, the Soil King Extreme by Can American is a serious material placement truck that brings precision, power, and safety to any job site. Crafted from ultra-durable 5444 aluminum, it resists corrosion while keeping weight low for increased payload. The adjustable bed height reduces the center of gravity for better road handling and loading safety. A patented metering beam allows one operator to lay down soil, stone, sand, and more with pinpoint accuracy using a wireless remote. Whether used as a stone slinger or a live bottom offloader, the Extreme XTR25 model handles up to 30 cubic yards of light material and unloads at a rate of 1,300 tons per hour. Job efficiency meets next-level control. Number 6. Stinger Stacker 8500. Big-time hay and biomass operations demand power, and the Stinger Stacker 8500 delivers it in spades. Armed with a Detroit 13-liter engine pumping out 460 horsepower and 1,650 Newtons lb of torque, this self-propelled bale stacker reaches speeds up to 55 mph and stacks over 125 bales per hour. The rugged frame includes a 30,000 PAL rated suspension and a wide Eaton 2680p rear axle for unmatched durability in tough fields. With a climate-controlled cab, optional flotation tires, and an auto-lube system, the 8500 offers comfort, reliability, and blistering performance for today's high-yield agriculture. Number 7. Highway Hammocks Trucksnooze. Day cab drivers, rejoice. The Highway Hammocks Trucksnooze is the simple, effective way to turn your cab into a temporary sleeper in seconds. Crafted from tough, breathable, synthetic canvas, the hammock sets up in less than 10 seconds by hanging securely over your door frames, no drilling, no tools required. It supports up to 412 pounds, so it works for a wide range of drivers. Lightweight, portable, and made using fair trade labor, the Trucksnooze is a rest solution that respects your time and your space. Whether on a lunch break or waiting out a delay, it turns any cab into a comfort zone. Number 8. LoadLok AF. The LoadLok AF system is your answer to underutilized trailer space. Designed for double decking, it lets you load more while keeping cargo secure and organized. Its AF beams support up to 1,000 kilograms with a heavy-duty option capable of 1,350 kilograms, while the 14.5mm low-profile tracks keep insulation and interior clearance intact, perfect for temperature-controlled environments. Best of all, it's cross-compatible with other airline gear and support fittings, meaning you don't have to start from scratch. Whether for general freight or specialized transport, LoadLok AF makes every inch of your trailer count. Number 9. Coxx LiftBox. Need a workspace that moves with you? The Coxx LiftBox is a fully modular, detachable unit that transforms any truck chassis into a mobile office, clinic, service hub, or shop. Built for flexibility, it installs and removes in minutes using self-supporting stabilizer legs. When detached, the vehicle can be used for other tasks ideal for businesses that need agility and versatility. Interiors offer up to 4.5 meters of functional space, and layouts can be customized with HVAC, power, sinks, workbenches, and more. Whether you're managing emergencies or promoting your brand, the Coxx LiftBox gives you the presence and professionalism of a fixed location on wheels. Number 10. KU Box Bolpagni. Created by BBM Food Trucks, the KU Box Bolpagni is a stylish, functional mobile unit perfect for frozen food, fish vendors, and street food operators. Made with SYNC stainless steel panels, it's built to last and meets strict hygiene standards. Inside, you'll find customizable refrigerated storage, integrated sinks, and optional cooking equipment, all laid out on a flat floor, free of wheel arches for optimal workspace. The vehicle includes a rear door with hinged opening, a 90-degree side hatch, and a manual counter flap for easy customer interaction. Whether powered by gas, generator, or grid, the Q-Box is a smart solution for entrepreneurs who need mobility without sacrificing quality. From high-tech tires to mobile kitchens, each of these innovations pushes the boundaries of what trucks and truck systems can achieve. They aren't just solving today's problems, they're shaping the future of transportation, logistics, and work on the move. Whether you're hauling, stacking, towing, or selling street-side sushi, these products are engineered for those who expect more from their machines. So which one surprised you the most? Let us know, and don't forget this road of innovation never ends.